Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Here we share pro tips, modern tools, and advanced woodcutting techniques. Let's explore the smart world of woodworking and take your workshop to the next level. The Diamond 6000 is the embodiment of raw power. With its 150 horsepower engine and massive 12-ton hammer mill, it effortlessly crushes entire forests in the blink of an eye. Not only powerful, the machine is also incredibly efficient, transforming mountains of material into clean wood chips quickly and neatly. Every strike is a display of overwhelming force, breaking down even the toughest wood with ease. The Diamond 6000 isn't just a grinder, it's a true destruction machine in the wood processing industry. Looking to get serious work done? This is the tool you need. The Barilla SG200K roars into action with unbelievable force. Its dual counter-rotating shafts operate with surgical precision, effortlessly tearing through dense bundles of material in seconds. The immense torque is perfectly controlled, ensuring the machine runs smoothly and safely, even under high pressure and extreme conditions. This isn't just a shredder, it's a mechanical masterpiece built for the toughest challenges. The Barilla SG200K, where technology meets raw power. Brooks has truly made a breakthrough with this machine, equipped with a Volvo 1006 engine, delivering 565 kilowatts of power. Not just powerful, but also capable of maintaining consistent torque at 750 RPM, ensuring absolute precision and performance. This muscular force is paired with smart engineering, using ultra-durable hard-ox steel in high-wear areas to guarantee long-term endurance. Whether you're in the biomass or forestry industry, this isn't just a machine. It's a strategic investment in productivity and reliability. Brooks doesn't just build machines, they build solutions for the future of heavy industry. Check out the Limax cutter on the Hitachi EX200, a true destruction machine. With just one move, the jaws extend to grip the tree stump, and the massive hydraulic pressure clamps down, cutting through the wood like giant scissors. The V-shaped blade not only enhances cutting efficiency, but also helps split wood along the grain, ensuring high precision. With smart technology, wood processing becomes easier, faster, and more efficient than ever. Limax is the perfect solution for tough tasks in the forestry industry. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts on these powerful machines. We'd love to hear your feedback. Imagine a giant machine chewing through massive wood blocks like a light snack. That's the Lindner 95DK. Right after, the Rotochopper 266 steps in, grinding everything down into ultra-fine sawdust. When these two beasts work together, what seems like a massive job is handled quickly, cleanly, and with sheer power. Everything runs smoothly thanks to an intelligent cooling system, ready to take on any challenge. The Gens HEM 593R wood chipper, priced from $325,000 to $540,000, is a major investment, but one that's absolutely worth it. With continuous chipping power, high mobility, and an ultra-durable diesel hydraulic system, it's built for long-term, heavy-duty performance. Ideal for large-scale wood processing businesses where reliability and productivity are top priorities. This isn't just a chipper. It's a solution that delivers real value in the field. Investing in the HEM 593R means investing in efficiency and long-term peace of mind. That 201 gear ratio in the 3-stage gearbox is truly impressive, an engineering marvel designed for maximum torque. With such a powerful setup, this log splitter can effortlessly tackle even the hardest, most stubborn logs. This isn't just an ordinary machine, it's a beast built to break limits. With unmatched strength and consistent performance, it's the ultimate companion for the toughest jobs in the forestry and wood processing industry. From a mechanic's perspective, I'm truly impressed by the outstanding engineering of this machine. The cutting teeth take an enormous amount of force when dealing with thick tire beads, yet they hold up with remarkable durability. That says a lot about the build quality and toughness behind its design. Clearly, this is a machine built to conquer the toughest challenges. Watch the Woodcracker L920 in action, paired with the Valtra N134 and forwarder trailer, delivering precision and absolute power. This trio makes handling thick timber effortless, turning forestry work into an efficient one-man operation. It's the perfect solution for those looking for maximum productivity and efficiency in the field. The real game changer here is the 4 interchangeable rotors. Imagine being able to switch between chipping and grinding modes in an instant. That's a true breakthrough in versatility. 1 minute you're making uniform fuel chips, and the next, you're handling bulky construction waste. This feature allows one machine to process various materials and meet different output requirements. The quick rotor swap time in the field, further proves its exceptional flexibility for diverse operations. It looks just like a massive hydraulic T-Rex jaw mounted on an excavator arm, and its power is truly jaw-dropping. Gigantic concrete blocks, over a meter thick, are crushed in seconds as if they were toys. This machine delivers devastating bite force, turning heavy demolition work into something almost effortless. You can't help but wonder, could it flatten a car? Very likely. The Ponce Ergo 8-Ute C44H7 moves effortlessly across rough terrain, with its 8 sturdy wheels ensuring smooth navigation through dense forests. The C44 crane extends powerfully, gripping the tree trunk firmly before swiftly guiding it into the H7 cutting head. With incredible speed, the cutting head processes large logs, stripping the bark and slicing them into precise sections. The entire operation runs seamlessly, maximizing productivity and ensuring the highest efficiency in forestry work. This is the perfect combination of power, durability, and cutting-edge technology. The mobile wood splitter mounted on a MAN TGS truck optimizes the firewood production process by performing sawing, splitting, and loading in a single continuous operation. Thanks to its flexible design, the machine can be transported to various locations, reducing transportation time and increasing work efficiency. Its automated system processes wood quickly, saving labor costs and ensuring uniform firewood sizes. This is an ideal solution for the forestry and biomass fuel industries, delivering high efficiency and cost-effective operation. The Morbark 2400 XL Hurricane Drum Chipper effortlessly devours logs up to 20 inches, turning them into wood chips in seconds. Fast, clean, and cost-effective. No need for complicated transport or processing. This is the most efficient way to clear a site. For massive logs, the German-made Cerami 110 is the ultimate choice. It easily handles logs over 39 inches, delivering precision, flexibility, and power, making on-site milling seamless and highly efficient. What do you think about this powerful machine? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Say goodbye to frozen logs and bone-chilling cold. The BTDS Pro Compact and Pro Plus are powerful log splitters that easily mount on excavators, loaders, or tractors, making firewood production faster than ever. With just one operator, you can process massive amounts of firewood, no matter how harsh the weather. This is your ultimate weapon to conquer winter. Get your BTD splitter now and make the cold season a breeze. The HMG WSK7F Whipkreissäge Förderband is a tilting circular saw combined with a conveyor belt, designed for fast and efficient wood cutting. When in operation, its sharp blade effortlessly handles large logs, while the conveyor belt automatically transports the cut wood out, reducing manual labor. With a sturdy design and powerful motor, the machine operates reliably even under continuous use. This is an ideal tool for the forestry and firewood production industry, significantly boosting productivity. Get ready for an ultimate display of power. This massive knuckle boom loader is stacking 64,000 pounds of material in just 4 minutes, an absolutely mind-blowing speed. With explosive force, it handles 266 pounds per second, making heavy lifting feel effortless. This is the ultimate weapon for any job site that needs to move massive loads quickly and efficiently. Prepare to be amazed by the true power of modern technology.
Seconds while he was swapping location, or while I was swapping location.
Felling a large tree is no easy task. The lumberjack must carefully calculate the direction of the fall to ensure safety while using a chainsaw with high precision. Strong winds, steep terrain, or a decayed trunk can create unexpected dangers. Besides strength and technique, experience is crucial for handling difficult situations. This job requires courage, patience, and masterful skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Woodcut Tech for more exciting content on woodworking machines and technology. See you in the next video.